Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you about the new feature from our Getfloorplan team, VR mode, or virtual reality mode, allowing you to take a 360-degree tour of a real estate property using VR headsets. Now, every Getfloorplan user can explore virtual property tours through devices like MetaQuest 2 or 3, Pico 4, and others. What is VR mode? This feature enables 360-degree virtual tours of real estate properties using virtual reality goggles. VR mode opens up the opportunity for our users to immerse their clients inside a property. With the use of virtual goggles, people can not only assess room dimensions and furniture placement, but also experience the atmosphere as if they were physically present. With the ability to virtually tour a property, clients are more inclined to make decisions faster, reducing decision-making timelines and facilitating more prompt transactions. How to activate this feature? Free usage period. This feature is provided for free and is included in the Plus set and Pro set until March 31, 2024. Usage steps. When placing an order, choose the Plus set or Pro set. Receive a notification from our team at customer service at getfloorplan.com with ready floor plans. Open the virtual tour using the provided link in a virtual reality browser. Click on the VR button in the virtual tour to immerse yourself inside the property. To access VR mode, click on the tour button, select VR mode. Enjoy the virtual tour of the house. Now your clients can fully immerse themselves in the world of real estate with VR mode from Getfloorplan. Don't miss the opportunity to use this feature for free until March 31, 2024, by adding it to your Plus set or Pro set order. Dive into the future today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with those interested in new possibilities in the real estate world. And remember, when ordering floor plans with the promo code GETSTART, you can get a 35% discount on any package.